small keyboard on your device. Like this is a very small keyboard, I don't want it. Now how you can change it? So basically you have to first of all get into your mobile settings first. Here you have to scroll down and find out the general management, which is right there on my Samsung M33. In your case, you can simply search for keyboard from the settings menu. Tap on the general management right now, and here you will find the keyboard list and defaults. If you have multiple keyboards app, it's basically there. So tap on this. So currently Samsung is my default keyboard, as you can see. So I will just select this. If Gboard is default, then it would show you the Gboard. Now simply from here scroll down and you would find the size and transparency. Tap on this and here you can customize your keyboard size. So basically this is how you can do it. You can improve, decrease, do whatever you want to. So this is how you can increase or change keyboard size on Android. If you want a small keyboard size, you can do it by doing this and then clicking on the done thing, or you can just reset to get back to the default. I like this size, so let's just do it. So this is how you can do it. If you set for the Google board, suppose you're using Google board, let me do it. Let me show you for that thing also. Now here you can see the Gboard is right there. Tap on this and here you have to find out size or the. So for the Google board, there is nothing to do with the settings. Simply get your keyboard right here. Tap on this icon which has this something like this Windows like icon. Tap on this and here you would find the option to resize your keyboard. So as you can see, you can now resize the Gboard, increase or decrease it, whatever you want to do, you can do it. So this is how you can resize or change keyboard size on any Android device for any keyboard app particularly. I hope you found the video helpful. If it does, then definitely make sure you are hitting the like button at least.